Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, haven't posted anything in a while because everything that I have is on order that's supposed to be coming in. So, yeah, I'm just waiting on a whole lot of things to come in. But I found out I have a problem with my intake. I haven't installed it yet because of a certain issue, and let me show you the issue. Okay, here's my filter. Nothing. Nothing strange, nothing different. Don't mind the Valentine's Day stuff. I was lonely, so I had to treat myself. But okay, so here's my filter. And oh man, I so yeah, you see nothing wrong with the filter, right? Or can I don't think you can. Let me see if I can get the light in there. Into there. Yeah, nothing wrong with the filter at all, right? Okay, hold on one second. Okay, so like I said, you can't see anything obviously wrong with the filter. It looks good, looks like it's just ready to go. Except for that right there. That is an issue. So, what I had to do was, I had to go get some sealant to seal off all this. But I can't just put it in that spot. I mean, I can, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend it, but I might just have to do it like that. And it looks like it's pretty tight right there. Oh no, there we go. I got it off, no noticeable bends. Alright, so it's off, no noticeable bends, everything's good. This right here has a rubber thing on the bottom, so I can easily put sealant right into the corner of this. So I ordered this, didn't pay attention to it. I was getting ready to think about installing it, then boom, I ran into that as a problem. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna seal it back up, wait, probably 24 hours before we even think about touching this. And then depending on the weather, this might get installed tomorrow. It is now, 9 o'clock at night on a Friday night. I don't party, so I'm gonna go check this out. I'm gonna put the sealant back on it, and then we're gonna let it sit for about 12 hours or so. Check it, see if it's good, and then yeah, I might end up installing it tonight, or just probably wait till my throttle body gets here and just put all that in all at once, so it's not, I don't have to take it off and then redo it again. So yeah, so stay tuned, you guys. Alright guys, man, I wish I had a chair to sit down in, but I don't. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up. Put that in there. That's good. And we're going to screw this on. Is that even open? No, it's not. Alright, hold on, give me a second. Maybe I completely messed up or something. Alright guys. Alright. This on there. And thing. And we're just gonna go squeeze it all in there. There we go. Just gonna go right along the rim of it. Make sure you make it kind of thick. Gotta Get off my knee. It was a horrible shot of my ugly face all in the camera. And now this thing just won't go. Something else you got on there. It's horrible. I don't think I thought this through pretty good. Sticking this joint on. Taking this jank. Get this jank thick. Like I like my women's. Super thick. Yeah, I mean. This is sloppy, but I don't know if you guys can see all that. It's pretty sloppy, but yeah, come on, there we go. All right, now that we got that, let's go ahead and throw some on the rubber as well for the filter. See me because I'm off. Sorry about that. Just get it all over. Probably didn't even need the tube. Probably could have did it without the tube, but thought it'd be a nicer job if I did it with the tube. Obviously not, because it's, if you guys can look at this, you guys would probably laugh at me, but I think it's good. So now what we're gonna do is, got the filter, got the metal piece. Basically what we're gonna do is just gonna sit this in there like alright, force it on there. Basically it said you need a clamp, but I obviously don't have a clamp, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this on top of it and let it sit for about 24 hours, 12 hours, depending on how it looks. I didn't throw a super lot on there, but hopefully it'll stick on there, so we'll see. We will see if it does. I hope it does. But yeah, that's that. I still got a lot of life for this. I don't know what I use this for. I think I totally messed this thing up. I don't think I did it right. This isn't a how-to channel, so you guys, like I said, you guys are gonna witness me doing things, and some things might fuck up, some things might not work. Hopefully you guys can leave a comment in the comment section, tell me what I'm doing wrong, if you guys see me do something wrong, and maybe you guys can give me some pointers. But as of right now, that's on there. We'll let it cure and everything, and then hopefully maybe sometime this weekend, hopefully the throttle body will come and I can change that out with the new filter, and we can go from there. Try to get this Charger looking and sounding pretty beastie. So thank you guys for subscribing, watching the videos. Leave a like, comment, anything you want to know. If I know it, I'll definitely let you know. If you guys see me do something wrong, let me know. And hey, we'll continue this journey together. Till next time.